plate still dirty. Come on in. Brittany!
Come in na may wrapping shop.
No man, some man. Men no pray for man, watch out. Game? No man, Brittany not going good. Brittany! No man, Brittany there. Mama, she got. Brittany! Little girl! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap daddy.
You see how down I house there?
Hold on this.
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing, you don't for morning. Suppose we say about when your auntie them go say, eh? At that them are gonna call me and tell me, say everything you use, you left it dirty and all that and something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, need to do better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, daddy.
Feel good, you see the place where you're there. If you clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean I try put in there but you're not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. Post something happen. But me no do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. You need to do better now. Yo, we don't go clean the place. Why not clean the place? Why not clean the place? Okay. I know for me that after this. What is that? What is that? You done? You know, say, I didn't think I'm gonna run from. I run from things that are so hard. That's gonna make sure to provide everything you need to make you reach yourself. You know what that look like? Hmm? Brittany, what is this, Brittany? What is this, Brittany? Yeah, let me lose it, Brittany. You know how hard it is to do a 9 to 5 and still have a mental up, so. Eh? And plus you are going to make it worse for me, you know? You no matter how much try to guide it on the right path, to make it up on the straight and narrow road, you find the corners and the cribbles and the lane them. Eh? What I say? This can't happen in my place. I don't know where I go with it, but the thing are coming, you know what it's my name? Your mother, your workplace mother. You want to say like your mother? Hmm? Answer me now. You want to say like your mother? You come like, yo, it's 2 or 1 enough. Hey, you try to remember to play the hook for wash up now. Oh.
Brittany! 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 Brittany!
Brittany. Brittany. What happened to you? What are you doing? So what?
Mommy.
What happened to you?
Daddy up there cousin something that says to me. Start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? But anyway, I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Because I don't fit depend on the people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, the whole school and sitting.
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, you know, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl going like you know want boyfriend early, you know. Me know say you no look a young girl have a look a boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like you have me. Why boy you look a boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend in school. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you not have sex?
We not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So we not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, you know. But hear what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean I really indulge more in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now, you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them, man, because you see what them do to them young. You know, look at your eyeball. Look at your eyeball and see what them do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of sitting. Breed them, left it upon them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
How about this shit? You still not watching me play them? No, sir. Still look again like it from bad too.
Anyway, I get one little phone now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me, you know.
What's here?
Christ.
Miss Sissy, are you share the kid with you now? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany?
But this man...
What you do here today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love and you don't understand, you know. You say that you make all of this, you know. You think so not me I can look over your place? I don't want nothing for thief. I don't want nothing. I don't beg you nothing. Brittany make me there.
Brittany
and my daughter.
If you did one there, that day, you love the street more than your daughter. If you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick
Brittany.
over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a galang so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick pick you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else go live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate.
Brittany,
Last
call
time I
me,
tell her.
call me.
Go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Sure. Yeah, man.
Right now, I just can't bear this right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Mother, I did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I just can't, but right now I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just, I'm sick and tired of it. Look if you don't see, Insta act up. When I war around with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
So I plan for tonight, baby.
Just care about me.
I know, baby. I know say a long time I link though. I say no can't go on Fiji night, yeah. I say
Well, me never, you know, ready and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready.
wait for me, baby. Look how long me I talk. I never cheat for you. I tell them about wait, I get you. From me, I never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always do the feel. Look there, as you call me there, you fool. See, most can make a general feel nice in the night. Most can give me a play. What you say? Can't go on.
Travis, if you really, really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Well, honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's how you make me feel, right?
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh,
So, me kind of scared to do it. Understand?
I see. Never know. You see me? But, don't for yourself, yeah. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm gonna feel something soon. Let's see, I'm coming for you soon.
Daddy running out and we may have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they ask them probably could have stayed here for the night. Seriously girl, your father run you out of the house, them a time of night, yeah? Don't sit down and look right, yo. Get off and come in. Cause time late. You shouldn't have on the road in time, yeah. Come. So late to wake up, girl. Gosh. I just 10 o'clock. Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry. Gosh. So, you eat it? Well, I want snacks in my bag when I eat, but would I eat something else, yes? Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look for something. Alright then. Oi, wait there, come here. Hey, remember, so we need to talk about what happened last night, because I don't understand why your father would have run out here about late night. You know why. So when you finish eat, just remember so we have to talk. Yeah? Alright. Alright. Girl, I can't believe your father do something like that. Run you out of the house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. We don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run you out of the house. Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you. My father see one video in my phone, right? When I wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something. That not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You not see me like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, you see the video on my phone, you start make up be nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be a thing so my mother and something, so I couldn't take it me just, you know, walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So me and her the one place. Something I talk, I see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out of place and something, but she come out her yard, and one bag of something. So me have to really look into myself and say, I must see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. You run my mother out of place and something. My mother gone. In the night now, me there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag her sheet off of me, and I tell him to come out and place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And me thinking they tell me say, if you pack up my clothes then when me I go anything, he just watch me pack the bag and tell me to go on out and place. And I me that this is me end up down here. Never know say my father would have do that. Never know say would have do that. Girl, it don't matter. You just turn 18 or you fend for yourself or you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this. We need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater. We have something to do with night on important, so you know it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet at the police station, so you can just go and let me if you come down there. Here? Brittany, make sure you not play with me, you know. Make sure you not play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know man right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, you know. God know, cause after I see a new man turn around the road when I yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that, you. God know, you a foul person, I never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so I never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just pushing tongue in my mouth. I mean nothing by it.
I can't tell me say that no mean nothing to you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for a certain man, your face tear off already. Yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me. You see me? You better just go away.
Travis. Travis, look for me now. You remember say, you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacy. Here I go. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, me not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all me ask right now.
Alright, Travis. I will give you space to think about here. I will check you back later here. Or me call you. I can call you later. I just want you to get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, man, I just need to process this whole thing, isn't it?
I call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can I get a hug before I go?
Just go on, Stacy, just go on, man. Yeah, Soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, dear from man, you know something to say.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know to see her?
Yeah.
I'm going to link you.
Alright, brother. Alright, yo, me get one nice soup, them, here. Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
We can't call now to get Brittany no father number. Oh.
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and tall. Find yesterday, man. You don't see her in tall. Alright, no problem. Oh, Tim, so I go on, brother. You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Mommy. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She didn't wear her mother by the way, man. So I'm not so do that right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 I'm going to call Travis phone and now get there. Travis!
Oh, that's a call. What we have? I'll Brittany that. How Brittany find me out? No, sir. How Brittany find me out now? Brittany, how are you doing, sir? How you even find upon me live?
I must say the time I say I white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say you live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
You see, you had to drop me off last night. Well, I never did some leave, and my girlfriend lived there with us, so I stayed there for the night and things. So, listen, I'm forward over here. So, you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can come here, man.
So much for to carry this.
You know, say, whether I may drive and I swing out a one dog and just licking a one patrol, when I front end mash up. So, I have to leave here, but
So, you see, I live.
yeah, man, base this one. Not too bossy still, no, but yeah, I try to work for set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, that's it. Yeah.
So, one kind of just scare me here so last night more than we gonna guest house.
God know be place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come around and say with them hours and night, you see me? So let's say, oh, let's bring up my guest house, man. And worse, more I feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay because nobody expects you to forward and them things, you see me? And me calling some people to come work on your house and things, you see me? So, yes. How long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say we can't stay here or something for 1 week or a couple days.
No, be. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when a big things are going on and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on you or something, you see me? And I say the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, I can find somewhere for you to stay.
So, we can't stay here for the night.
Maybe, of course. Can't stay for that, man. Cook something knuckle and dumpling and make you get feeling with it. I wonder if you look again and leak off already. Young man worried in that place. Yo. Hello.
I'm ready for this. She come here late last night and she said you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? Me run out data. We run out no data. So where she run there?
No, she don't want to hear me and she didn't meet up in her town. But I don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, let's get me head together, yeah. something to call her mother though. Fuck. She not on the phone. Last time I can't try to get her, I can't get to her. I go on her yard before I go to the station. Cause if she not around her yard at a straight station.
In and out. First seed out of bag. 17, Chinaman Taratil.
Mr. Chen.
I tell you, I look safe. Ready again?
Me have a dinner there for the nice part.
14 on the mouth. Wow. That not look bad. It not look bad at all.
You know safe.
54.
Chop line fast. The line get fucked up.
Quick and fast.
So come in, what about your daughter?
Good thing you ask, girl. See, you know, say me, they run that area that day randomly. And I pass through, when me look, me see Brittany. Brittany, I cry. When me walk going in the yard, never know say good boy today. When me walk going in the yard, I call Brittany. Brittany grow on her back, Brittany the ball. Same man and father in eruption. Man no come run me out the yard.
So what you do?
Girl knowing me. You know say me never want the embarrassment and true the poor problem on me and him. Me no bother with him. Me just left out time place. Cause me can't deal with him.
Best thing, girl.
I don't know.
$47.
47 girl I come. Him going like say I live too much uptown life for me. So me I stay in a my lane.
Hey, speaking of the devil, who that did they come? Then your baby father.
Kiss me neck.
Nah, he not dead for now.
But he not dead now.
We have your son him.
Jesus Christ.
Excitement.
What is now? Play the next game, please. Wait till he come now. Wait till he come.
Excitement.
What's in St. Catherine?
Calvaga.
In or out? Hey, hello, what you do ya? Eh? You don't run me out of your yard. You have your heart to come on my yard. You want this, yeah? You want that?
You know
you want that? You don't want to take care. You don't want to take care.
You know
eh?
school.
Where you come on my yard for? You don't share me out of your yard.
Come in, mind bun me that, you know. Listen me, I say, man. You want to know what I really come about? Brittany missing. Brittany missing. For yesterday, I can't find Brittany. And that I come to you about.
Brittany missing?
Yes, Brittany missing.
How Brittany for missing under your care? How Brittany you lock him up all in a house? How Brittany for missing under your care? My daughter Brittany, how you missing?
And then something I like, you know.
But it's not easy.
That's like, I have to love you out, you know. I have to love you because you have too much anger, man.
What you mean?
Brittany missing Camille. And before you help me find her.
See, they go to the station. Where you come here for? Where you come here for?
I want to check if you have her first before we go to station. I can't just run to station, so. You know, say, person I want you to check her or something.
But this man him come like he's sick in the head.
Yo, you can't tape on my shirt.
That's what they talk about. You better find my daughter, you know.
You know what, I should have come here. I should have come here and talk to you about, you know, because this doesn't make no sense. I'm going to look for my daughter myself. That me I tell you.
Look for your daughter yourself. You're sick in the head. You're sick in the head. You have to look for your daughter yourself.
Lower making one.
What do you mean lower making one? Lower making one, I need some picking missing. I need some picking missing.
You go on.
Watch me, you're dead, you want dead. I dead, you want dead. Find my daughter. Find my daughter. All right.
That time late, man. But true, you know. True, that time is going to see it late. True, man. Alright, let me have one. Egg. No bread. Come here. Travis. Travis. You got the man? No bread no day here.
I'm sure. I'm sure good.
Me check good come man. You got now?
I shut down by the front door, that's it. See if you get that.
Travis. 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 Travis, what happened? You know me I call you.
Stacy. Where are you, Stacy?
What do you mean what me I do? You know me come look for?
What you mean you come look for me? We both agree say out, me I go take a break. So what you there do?
But you not answer me call them.
What you mean by me now? We both agree say out, me I go take a break. No that the agreement will come to.
So you not take no enough break?
No, Stacy, you have to leave. Honestly, you can't stay. Me really
You run me
need...
to the house?
Honestly, me I run you, but you know, me just need a break. And we both agree say out, me I take a break. You see me?
You still have me up over the little kiss.
Yeah.
Me thirsty, beg a little water.
The fridge plug out, no ice water in there.
Me take the pipe water.
Sure, me think our water gone, you know. But Stacy, honestly, you need to leave, Stacy. You can't stay.
So make you run me so? Like you have somebody here where you don't want me to see?
Honestly, me I run you, but I must have agreed to take a break, you know. That was the agreement. So,
You sure you don't have no woman up there? No wrong with me, you know. Because me I call them, you know, answer me call them.
my phone dead.
Me now come out. My belly hurt me, me want a little tea.
No sugar in there, the sugar done. Me not buy nothing for money.
Travis, you deal with me away, you know. All of that a mistake. And look how you are going.
That can't be mistake, brother. How that can be mistake?
Me I call you and answer your phone.
My phone dead.
And not today alone, me I call
My
you.
phone dead for a week because I'm not charging it necessary.
Oh, so you don't want to call from me then?
Nobody at all. Right now, just by seeing you, it'll bring back memories. So you just...
Look here. Me I will allow you out for your time being. Me I go give you your time, but me want the tea. Because my belly really dey hurt me. So you know, so if you not give me tea, me not left. So it's either or either.
And listen, you want it fresh?
Yes, me will take it fresh. I want some egg and bread too. With lettuce and tomato.
No, none of that. Just too high. Go make the man where you did a kiss by egg sandwich.
What's here? How about this?
Who are
Travis.
you?
Who me? Who are you? Who are you? How are your feet?
Hey! How are this? How are this? What is?
Yo!
I'm mad girl.
Yo, wait.
Mad girl.
Hey, yo, make me pop my foot down. Oi!
Hey girl.
Yo!
Travis, you don't tell her about me.
Christ.
You look like you know you about me.
Easy no man, easy.
What you do ya?
What me do? What you do ya?
Yo, only just easy now. Yo, Stacy, build up.
Leave me alone.
Yo.
take up the fucking hey.
Yo, I'm saying what the fuck, yo.
Hey. You don't want me.
Yo,
Alright. Hey, move. Hey,
yo, you see what
look,
you
Alright, control. Control on the bomber clad. Control and a real fight.
Jesus Christ. Yo, what you just deal? You see what you cause? Me tell you some need some space. Look where you coming from. Where you coming from?
You see you? You're lucky, you know.
Brother, just go on, brother, come me tell you some need.
You know, me go give you space. Me go lower your place too. But you see, any of me come back up here and she up here, me dirt the two of you, yeah?
How she attack, bro?
Yo, ease yourself, no Brittany. Just ease me. Just cool, man.
You know what, matter of fact, me not gonna stay with you here.
What you mean by
Me not gonna stay here with you.
Me
Me say me not gonna stand here with you.
What you mean by that?
Me not stay here. Me not staying here.
Brittany, just chill.
Me not, don't touch me. Say me not stand here.
Brittany, what you mean by that?
Me say me not stay.
Brittany.
Matter of fact, me come for me bag and me come there, yeah, man. Excuse, come on, come
Brittany.
here.
Where you going?
Then I put on my sneakers. Me say me not stand here, man. Me not stand here.
What you not feel? Me don't tell you something. Me if you know this happen.
Me can't talk with them foolishness and no more, man.
What kind of foolishness?
You know,
I
see?
first it happen.
First that happened. Wait a minute, I don't know what
Brittany,
don't
just
touch
cool now,
me.
Brittany.
See this, don't touch me, brother.
Brittany.
Let go me back now, brother. Move now.
Just cool now, Brittany.
Leave, Mr. Philippe. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me say me not
Just cool now,
Tanya.
Brittany. What you mean by that? So, you nobody want the egg on the bread? Brittany! So me look at one spray, man. Let's have a spray for them. Ranky me take up. No sir, something going on now. We'll go on for the next one, because nothing going on today. No. Nothing.
Brittany.
Good morning, Mr. Albert.
Yes, my boy.
Everything alright, boss?
Yeah, man, so far.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. So, no other not come in today?
No. In the farm, man, things do. My papa, am good still.
I'm good to see you, man.
No,
Why,
no comment,
man?
man.
You look away, you know. Why, I don't know why.
Papa, yeah, farm, you know.
Can't make them spoil on the tree, you know.
No, you have to go look some market.
Yeah, man, we have to go do that, man. But, everything good otherwise, though?
Yeah, man, so far.
Alright, so, me go check what I got along, are you here?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Hey, bossy.
What happened, Robert?
Me want news this morning.
Mm.
Are your daughter Then Brittany, you missing?
Why? I'm my daughter, man.
Eh?
I'm my daughter.
Why you replace sticky, man?
Why? No normal, right now. I don't think straight. See me, I left my key there. Right now, I don't have no work I go do around the next farm around there, so.
You understand?
But me hope she does something safe, you know. You
Yeah,
understand?
Man, nothing happened to her still.
Nothing happened to her. I want to look a feud with her and I try teach her the right. You know, when you look a picture nowadays, they don't really listen.
You understand?
Foreign minded.
Yes. So
Yes. But,
I hope you may find him still.
yeah, man, I go and do something and
Yeah,
pray,
man, I
you know.
hope you may find him.
Yeah, man. And you go to church too?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so when I go to church, just beg pastor to go and
Pray
pray
for him. Yeah,
you
man.
see me?
No problem.
Alright, my boss. Me I go and check on you.
Yeah, man. You could be.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
You say, a piece of drama galong girl.
Kind of drama?
You say, me want girl to fight.
Fight.
Yeah, what Travis?
Fiwa. Chavis. So all mess up me here.
hello, man. Good day. No, some of the daughter, some of the want to take a picture. You see me? Yeah, man. See a picture here. I wonder if you can leave it, man. Okay. Alright, $500. Yeah, man, I can leave, man. Matter of it. Alright.
Oh man, they must me
Me go shop and come back. Me no see girl will sit down on bed.
sit down on
Sit
bed.
down on bed.
So what you do?
You have to laugh.
So you not say to nothing to her?
Me was
I'm a
walk in
man.
and start. Me walk in and start with a start on her case. Beat the girl.
You have to start on her case.
Of course. But me done with Travis and me done with him. Me not
So you're really not in love with Travis anymore?
No, me like yes, me still love him, but it not go work. It not go work.
Brittany, where are you, Brittany? Come on.
Only fruit, man.
Yeah, me boss, what I go on?
You know see the girl there?
No, sir. No, sir. This one said this is a girl before at all. So what happened?
She miss the man, find her, me can't. My daughter, you know, me can't find her.
I can't believe it. Watch out. It's such a sweet girl, man. Someone that wish she could have gone.
That me don't know, but me I try to see me can find out where she gone, you see?
Me I tell you, no, sir, I don't see her pass at all from the day from Sunday until now. I don't see her pass.
Alright, me general, enough is
Alright, yeah, me boss, alright, me boss.
I try remember.
Boy, sometimes you know fi give up your man for some girl. You hear what me say?
We done with him.
Sometimes some girl love running.
Running for a man thing, so then
Yeah. When them say some things are going for you, bad mind, next grudgeful, them a go dead.
But I don't understand how the girl did there and Travis and tell the girls to come out of her house because he have his woman there. So we just make the girl sit down on the bed. So
Not even hide her, nothing.
No
If you don't make you see.
Just do it brawling so.
That out of order.
Did I know when they get good woman, man?
I ball game, you know. So what you gonna do? Play a game.
That me I go
At the
do.
ball game.
Fix up well.
I'm gonna talk no kick like no ball, you know. Oh, me attack score.
Well, want me get one better than him.
No goalie business. No standing business. No pram push thing. Oh, no sit bubble sit na there so. Try make sure say you sort out yourself. You're young and look good.
Come here, come here, come here.
You
They
know
said
she
not
there?
even name or nothing on the panic.
You know say, come here, hurry me not remember put her name. But
Something like that you have to think about. You have to think about them apart, the boat name, where it come from and everything.
Like a 911.
No, you have to print this over.
alright, yo, only the when me run out them me get some new one. Yeah.
Because on the face you will get on this. You have to get
And we all
some
can
more
see our
concrete
face.
if you know.
But we are take a picture of it and post it on Facebook and Instagram and things.
If anything
You
you call the
understand? If
number, yeah.
anything, we call the number and tell you.
Alright.
Alright, don't go up and find him before the day still.
Alright, come.
Yeah, man. We are do what we can.
Alright. See that girl on her birthday.
No, sir, I don't know her.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Hope I find her though.
I just walk it back. You see if it just put up anywhere you put up it. That number you just call. Yeah.
Alright.
Let me generate. You know I'm to see the girl on her birthday. You know, say I don't really see her, but like some of them I know still, you know. You know, say my daughter and she miss the brother. So money the panic. I'm not too much, but if somebody come and come with half of me, they do something, you understand? Hold on for one of them, let me see her make you know. I number this. Yeah man, I number that. Just call the number. Alright my boss. Alright my general.
Get a chance and him blew it, so make him go on. Me done with
Out
him.
of order.
Me done with him. Me done with him, man.
Right now, me a day here. Whole heap of man a go run you down. Whole heap. And a drop no catch. You no drop or catch. So you come, so you take it. Your ear good and nice. That elevator thing. Man, come like a manual, you know.
Tell about it. And I'm done with him.
I'm finishing now, you know. You know what price already?
No man.
Thank you, love.
Alright. Look at this.
See you. Remember what me say now?
Oh, you tell me.
Later.
When my father come, many men are not alright now. You like say want control it. You like say want rule my life. You know me can't more hide.
Come here, hide you. Hide. I don't want to chill with me as much as you're big, so. How are you going yourself?
You know, say my daughter, I put up on missing
Miss
poster.
what?
Missing poster.
And if the people put up things for my shop, they have to pay me. Any poster. So me here, so me know.
Not really much right
If you
now.
don't hear, go so you soon go so.
Not really much right now.
Miss. Let me see one of them still. For your ear, but not even put in one next stack. Miss. A KFC she there. And then they want.
2 days now, KFC.
I mean, she and them chicken till she can't eat it no more. She no look miss.
No, we just have a little argument and find that. See
So one of them you go put up on the wall of my shop yourself?
no, I just want me to put up and say you can keep the one there and call number if you see her.
Call number.
Please, if you see her, you can call me.
Then they will call me informer.
I'm not informer. Listen, me can
Well,
put up.
go and put up it still. Me try put out a word for you.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
Thank me. Thank Chief for runway.
Why you say that? Why you behave so?
What kind of pity want run when at this time, yeah? Or what could a sweet her so? What sweet nanny goat a go run them belly?
When we can't. Oh. I can't bother with him, man.
Alright,
Me
thanks.
see what go on. Me go and look for the fiancé, me see
Yeah, man,
her.
if you see her, you just call me, please.
Hope I call you, cause me no want nobody do me no oh. You hear?
Yeah, man.
Boy, your father and pick me, me son. Me son, me fool. You gone. Realize your father that you are high.
Right now, mother never come.
Him come.
Me got my mother yet, no come.
Tell your mother from here so before you leave. So you make sure you say you're alright and you're safe. What's him buck up on the road right now?
Come here.
Hell and powder house. She not answer yet.
Mommy.
Yes, my daughter.
Yeah, Brittany. Me come stay with you here.
Mm-hmm.
No, I come stay with you.
Me there on a yard, man. Come.
Alright.
We're not going to explain everything.
Where your son send me advice? You alright?
No, one time I come and explain to you, yes.
Alright. Here what you do. When you come, we talk. You hear?
Alright.
Alright.
No, mother. She tells me to put that.
Alright.
You gone? You
I
sure
don't
say
know, I
gone?
can't stand my heels.
You sure say gone?
I'm gone.
Alright.
I did say father, I'm up with you.
But this one not
Your
easy.
so-called father, cause that's a so-called father.
But this one not easy.
Alright,
Right now,
do
let
it
me take a picture. Alright, I'm gonna show you, mother.
Yeah, mother. Take your picture into outer order.
Me I go show my mother right.
Oh,
Just
let
me
me
I go
see.
show my mother right. Now watch me and it. He out mother and bright.
Tell your father that.
Right man, later.
Alright.
Can't believe, say, Travis really go look woman so quick. After one little kiss, you know? Yeah, people so say me mad, because me tell them everybody talk to me. So quick. So me I feel I wonder if him and the girl went a long time, you know. That's why I did a treat. Travis make the girl top off me chain off of my neck. My clothes are scared. I miss no scratch for a minute, yeah, man. Mash me and mash up the two of them.
Hello, lady.
Right, you know. Hi, sir.
Sorry for bother you, you know. I'm a daughter I look for. You see her know about the place?
You who?
My daughter. Wanna know the daughter?
Sir, me and the girl that just done fight a while ago.
You just don't fight my daughter?
Me go see her in my man yard.
My daughter are your man yard?
Yes, your daughter, the same girl
You
here.
sure?
She's same one.
You know, enjoy her serious or anything?
No, but me shoulda enjoy her.
No, man.
She had pop off me chain.
One daughter, me no want nothing to her.
So what she do on my man yard, sir?
Alright.
If you want, me show you which part me catch him a while ago and me can't do that.
Yeah, man, I love that one.
Can't believe you say you have one daughter.
One daughter?
Papa man yard, you want to see her.
Mother, I not want to talk about her mother, you know. Mother just bad like a yaz.
You say one girl.
One girl put me.
Over there, sir, she there, you know. Over there, yeah,
Over there, she there.
But me not come over there with you, you know.
Alright, yo. Thank you very much, yeah?
Hello, so I just saw some thanks you give me. You have to give me something, not me nah, no information I give you for free.
I think I help me out.
Sir, me go catch your daughter, my man yard, and she almost beat me up. She pop off me chain. Me tell you which part she there, and you want, no, give me something.
Don't take me how much, you know. Let me see.
Give me something.
1, 2. You know, sir, I just $300 me have.
$1, $2, $300.
$300 me have. That's all me have. Nah, no more money for me.
Sir, my name must make you know which part your daughter there, you know?
Yeah.
And you go look for me and give me $300.
But I'm grateful for it. You don't know what you do right now. Because she probably over there. Had one bag of things.
It's alright, give me take it.
Alright,
$300
thanks,
for information. You're welcome. Go on to your daughter.
Brittany! Brittany! Brittany, I'm sorry, Brittany. Brittany, my father come for you. Sorry, I rush you up. But you know I love you, Brittany. Brittany! Brittany! How would I call Brittany and Brittany there? Awesome. Brittany! How would that they know? Yo, Elda, what go on? Brittany over there, not you? No, Brittany there. No, sir. Allah tell me. Jeez, I want disappointment to the door, Father God. No, you fought your daughter not there, Elda. She not there. Somebody tell me some daughter over there, I'm a piece of my daughter over there. Yo, tell my daughter some out the road, wait for her. Elda, your daughter not there, Elda, you want to come look for yourself. Yeah, how much? 25, Elda. My daughter 18, brother. Yo, come look and swap. I tell her she not there, Elda. I'm more the your daughter, nothing because I love your daughter, Elda. I love my daughter, don't love my daughter. I know why you love my daughter, you hear that? She young, she need to go to college and something. But I can't send her to go to college, Elda. I don't want a man send her to go to college. Come show me find the daughter, yeah. Go on, go look, man, come here, tell us she not there. Look anywhere you want to cook on that bed, brother. Jesus Christ. So this is get myself now. Brittany! Brittany! Elda, may I tell us she not there, Elda. She gone home. Yo, where my daughter there, yo? Where my daughter? Elda, just easy, Elda. May I tell us she not there, Elda. She gone home. Yo, not tell me nothing, man, yo. Catch up in the water. My daughter there, right, that's all. I'm out. Me call police come over here now. I'm not, yo, listen me, man. Elda, just cool, Elda. Look at you, listen. Elder, nobody with that, Elder. Just cool, Elder. Me I tell us that she mood your daughter, nothing, you know, me love your daughter, you know.
Don't love my daughter. Don't love my daughter. You me say, man, yo.
Elder, just cool, Elder.
You see my daughter come back here tonight, you call me. Yo.
Elder, just
listen me I say.
Cool, Elder, me love your daughter, you know. Elder, me love your daughter, you know.
Listen me I say.
Elder, I ask me, I go ask if you marry your daughter, you know, Elder, because I love her, you know, Elder, just cool, man.
Listen me I say, man. Listen me I say.
Elder, just listen to me.
Yo, you not married my daughter and you don't love my daughter.
Elder,
you never know my daughter, you never see my daughter. My daughter just 18 and you're 25. You don't know my daughter and I'm nothing to do with my daughter. You say anything happen to my daughter, I go to station. And you say, yo, I'm not too bad. Yo. I say, yo, you see if you see me go to station, I'm lucky, you know, boy. And that me I tell you. You understand?
Elder,
yo, just make sure my daughter reach me under one piece. If she come,
how me I gonna know if she reach home, Elder?
Yo, listen to me, man.
Right now,
get one pen and paper, give me. Let me give me number. Get one pen and paper, give me number.
I have my phone.
What do you, man?
You can't put it on my phone.
You see if she come, hurry up.
Hold on, the Elder phone lock. Jesus.
Well, listen, I know about that. So make the daughter come and she see you call me now. Let me tell you.
Yeah, man, me call her, man.
You call me now.
Yeah, man.
Let me, hey boy.
Yeah, man, me call her, man. Just go on the Elder.
I can remember say man, you see young thing, boy. One thing, you know. You know you have food that time, boy.
Me did I make some breakfast? You want some? Jano. How really are going today? 2 drama in one day. No man, my heart a race on, me can't manage in a woman. Jesus Christ. Jano. Father look serious to you, know, me not. Boy.
Look how long me tell about my business, eh? Look how long me tell you say me want the ear, eh? I can't talk about look a bit on the ear. God knows me can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. Me can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money if you me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Yes, remember say food me have to buy, you know, man. The bill them have to pay, you know, man. And I like say now we get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we have bills power with. You baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up a Stacey a while ago. Jesus Christ, you know them the girl up there, so you know. When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can come a shop if you buy expensive ear and you can't pay for it.
Remember so we have one little kids in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge do even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and I like say, now get here, you know, baby. You just now get the one there right now. You know me love a scene, man. A roadside with the pony and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can put your on your head.
But I know that baby, just follow out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And I like say, now get here, you know. Everything alright, baby, man. The school, man.
Me want, a matter of fact, me no want it, me need it. And anyway, me no get it, me go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at it also in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you're going to say, you know? Until I say everything alright, you know? Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you did want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you doing everything you're going, you know? And if you're going somewhere.
From me come here, so, from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on, power. You don't bother with them in your life, you know. I'm tired of it.
You're going so. You touch, you know?
No.
Everything alright, you know? Just give me a good time, now. Have a good faith now, you know? Yeah, man, so. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know? So we just been out of my house now, baby. Hold on. You take the call of the babes.
If you can't speak, I know, coming on out, but I know you're call you.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Boy, not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I feel, you know, man, but I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problem?
Sometimes, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
Well, this is an organization, and either you come down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to give your papers and leave some asset or something, so do the right thing, okay, Mr. Coyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you got embarrass me up at the station shop. You know, say a fool you take me for. Fool you take me for. Hold on, power. No, you take me for one big idiot. No, no, wrong thing. Look here. You see everything in here, sir? Remember, say I feel me money buy it, you know. You know, not even this year you can't buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair over there, so plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people, please.
You love them, baby, I'm also.
Love? Excuse me. Go love yourself right now. A better life you want.
Sandy, really?
I need a better life.
Sandy,
bye.
Where you go? Sandy! Yeah, God. Sandy, baby!
What a good man. Yeah, I'm Jay, where I go? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima with the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 errands from some people in the park, right yourself. And then man, check back on it and show it you. Alright? Alright, my general. Yeah. Good morning, Fallon. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir. As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, I tell you, I'm going to change the rent date.
Me no.
Your whole rent. Like, I never tell you, I change the date. Fallon, I tell you, I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go. I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent. So me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Fallon. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir.
2 more days, Fallon.
2 more days no work so with rent.
You
And business place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Fallon. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And I see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That mean you're watching my business.
You have watch me place.
You're watching my business. Mother Jesus. 2 days. Alright. 2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them. Rent. Them are dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tenant.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone in, I mean, no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know, you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like, oh, me Bridget. I mean, I run this at time, you know. Me never did I run this at time, yeah. Oh, I'm going good girl in the pan today. See, you not do no nails today, no money, no pay, nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow from you, do.
Borrow money, you know, them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know, them tell me you want to borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you have borrowed, how you pay back?
Don't find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work? So, mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just see just come and go and I'll do look at thing and something, but...
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. It's when you and him get together again. Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And the man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away, so you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Because I don't no money for none of them at tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Because you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know, say a true girl. You know, say a true, I'm going to try, man. I'm going to try.
Do it. It will work out. You have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that me can't check off a door, but they say not happy and something, so. We will link up, man. I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See how it
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit here. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. We can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressuring. But they are going to...
Jaja.
Yeah, brother.
Listen, me there, me G.
No, you know, so the item where you bring up the sell, whether I want good pick of food, we get feet in that, but you know, the pick of money there for you. Yeah, man, know yourself, alright, that's how we go. You see another way, we can make a piece more food, you know, but, yo, when any man call link, you man, I would talk about this, you understand?
Me link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Hey, how was Sunday coming for now? Hey, babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left up, me pack up my things and man left, man. Here things are going.
You and Kyle?
How are you there?
Me do your peppers are going normal. Which way they? Then forward no. Forward, man. Forward. Me there. Alright, do you do, man? Forward. Me there. You can't tell me how when they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, get there. I don't know how to go.
Yeah, I don't know how to go.
You know, see, there's something you want to buy down there for me do, but you want to come up here, so back.
You know, so I think I come back up here right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want?
My pregnancy test.
Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me money.
Sandy! Come! How are you go? You don't have my peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I know that's not you. What go on?
You know, so I have to left the boy. I left him, man. I have to pack up my something and left this man.
Joke, yeah, make a kind of Kyle, you're doing something good, so yeah, check.
Look here, that went good when the money did be there. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money not did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah, man, want cran water.
Alright, we'll have to.
This a kind of wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style you to style me, you know. Hey.
Girl, right now I don't know if you don't have money for paying the rent. Your life a pressure me right now, come next to me to go a bank up or one loan or something. And you hold up then I get on call. Me put up on hold. Somebody will come. Yes girl. What? Actually, yeah, me I call up to you, so you know, say me borrow your wig, do me I go in at town, go mash one crime and come back. Really, that you ask me about, girl, I can't take you and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But if I want important car right now, so yeah. Yeah man, alright. Alright, cool. Right. Yeah, my friend called me.
Thanks. Come now, drink and tell me yours. But you know, come to think about it, me hear all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sunday, me have to be true, but I get the bakes.
So me can go on so.
Sound like say, the man did have everything now. I remember say you used to tell me how you act and all these things and money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready to cut. Like a gold
Look
digging
like you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear me just tell you say, actually, you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think that everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
Let me tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about this. They feed you for mackerel.
Same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you know make me guy horse, you know me can.
But me couldn't care come this up. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a turn the Kyle you're doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say I sex you want him, want me sex for angry belly, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least we know so when I got a party, you know if we go back go look no man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself boy you want that the man there now see it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, to rub that
No man, you know what I mean, your friend. But I truth you know me plain. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know. Because I have to go back down with my people them. So me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy there.
Nobody begs with me with that. But that's when it taught my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that anyways. You guys your man you done go live with man and sit now go back a family had one bag of drama out there for you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, we can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you, Fanny.
Okay.
Tap bad, someone. Tap bad.
Chaplain.
Oh God. Yeah, man, be there. You know, say, be a sea star. Go on easy.
No see a long time I don't see you, do more say you know.
You want to see me?
Come here, no see me miss you. I want to see you. From what day me I think about you and so.
You see, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in the town. Yeah, me pick you up honestly.
Alright, cool.
Relax, now go on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweet me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't be there no man. Being awesome, I miss you.
Oh man.
Me don't want to go up at your hotel, it's not too far right now. We can go to beach park.
Yeah, of course.
know, say, a long time me and you link on something, but right now I don't even know how I did miss you. Come like you scarf me out.
Oh, son, not really that, man. That's why I'm busy, you know. What does it mean?
I can't do something right here now, right here, sir.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this condom here. Shit, the condom boss.
Different level, you know that? Yeah, dog, me I tell a dog from what day, me I try to tell us say, yo, you need to take the music serious. So me I say, dog, yeah, man, cause me don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with the thing, a Bob Marley type of thing. You understand?
What you mean, man? I do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year. You see what I say?
See that funny black man? What's me a sibling my
Well, I
face
don't
up?
even know who she, you know, but you see me? But remember, I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Grandma! Grandma! Oh, yeah, who they call? Chin! You rich man. Come in, come in, come in, come in.
Man, go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No joke.
That is it.
You know what's going on?
You know you're in your teeth, so. Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma. Okay, come in, man. Put on your toothpaste. If you sit down and talk. You can send me?
Yes. Mommy send something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know?
Yeah.
My face looks so sour.
I know so she come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I don't really like to know what is going on because me welcome in you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and I welcome you, but as you see time kind of stiff and the little work they want me to do, the little egg they not sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my
grandma.
grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam 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 every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and stay in here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
No, mommy no money and you send me down here, so if we go and look for work, feed me in time when me down here. So I just come down for my work and I can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you about. I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People they not come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake every now and then and sell. And me have the little bit them money what they give me, but me have the bills them to pay, the water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill, all of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so me not go treat you bad. Me don't try not to treat you bad, but remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people, can me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then go they come to go and look what you have. And then I have nothing to give you, and me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say,
Yes,
and I go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you
behave
get along.
myself, Grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up a many times to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me behave myself, me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do it. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out of the house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church, and me not left here. Because I know so when they say you alone there, then go there fishing, and me gate. And I don't want nobody, and me get there fishing, because no fish, not over here. So keep them away from me gate, because I know they harbor shot them were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So
Remember that? Remember me tell you?
Yes,
Remember me warn you
Grandma.
on this first day you come?
No,
so
Grandma,
can't say
you
me
know,
no warn you.
I have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them that's on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But anyway, you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, Grandma?
You go see, because I don't know how you
Don't like that, Grandma. You know if you say them sitting there, Grandma. If you think positive.
You can't take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for the straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself and on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting there they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And Grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them here down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so why you need to see up there so come in. Now which part of the son will leave? Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna leave. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so me will show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
Can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get you. Just wait, me pass the delivery.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying this suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is stay.
Miss Ponce.
Hello? Yeah, girl, I reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach. I wish what did you say again?
No, St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man up the door.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. Just I go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. He miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah.
Well, on the ground. I'm going to smell your car.
Yeah, man, alright. Take care of yourself. Alright.
Miss Ponce.
How that?
You know what I say? I want Miss Ponce me to do and talk to. But look here there. Look here there now.
Where the ask, sir?
Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, sir.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, I do it. That's why I see how pass a while ago.
See, don't they say they look for me?
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left it up. So you look over the place, so you're afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Which one could I get in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably go your number before me left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get the number.
Go tell them. Mr. Chino out of road they talk to a man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. What are we? She bright. What do you want to do? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. They look for what you out of the talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do him?
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You
Stick up in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she, cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What you going here, so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, oh, your reason, he not tell you nothing? Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hear them? You see them like push but coat nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. You say go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. You want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at you, what happened to my dog, neck and choke you. Yes, you know. What you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. What you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Our mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage with it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try not come back and me gate, you know. Now make me see you and me gate again. Oh,
No disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy about to come and me gate. Tell them where they go. Lord Jesus, me say, the little girl this arrive and he start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down for?
Me not fit talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come they ask about Miss Punsi. So me just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsi, nobody know why
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsi. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsi. So make you fly up and go.
Just start we are talking, you know. Just start.
And for you go there, you have to do things so nobody name some walk come back in. You stand up out there keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other because when they see you, then go and give you a nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breathe me through your gate, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go on, go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I meditate get.
Oh.
You see you're gonna go not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she measure going to me. She kill up herself. But when me come down here fast. She alright.
So basically we can link up on our time.
Why? So she stay me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to no.
Alright then. want to see a word.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later. Yeah.
Chat.